So boys, just see here, multiple angles, multiple angles, multiple angles. Here we have definition. If A is an angle, then its integral multiples of 2a 3a are called multiple angle of A, and multiple of A by fraction like 1 by 2 1 by 3 is called submultiple. Okay, so here this is very easy. So integral multiple of 2a and 3a is called multiple angle, and multiple of by 1 by 2 1 by 3 1 by 4 it's called submultiple. So in this exercise or in this chapter or in this book you are going to learn only multiple of 2a and 3a, and in submultiples 1 by 2, that is enough. Okay, so here just see here, I wrote sine 2a. So 2a is nothing but multiple angle. Okay, so sine 2a is equal to sine 2a into cos a. So these are the formula I have written here. So just see here, is it board clear to you? Is it clear to you? This is sine 2a. Sine 2a is equal to 2 sine a into cos a, and the second formula of sine 2a is 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. We are going to derive all this formula. Just look at once what kind of formula we have. Okay, now cos 2a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a. Then second formula of cos 2a is 1 minus 2 sin square a. The third formula of cos 2a is 2 cos square a minus 1, and the fourth formula of cos 2a is 1 minus tan square by 1 plus tan square. Okay, so cos 2a has 4 formula, sin 2 has 2 formula. Now tan 2 is equal to 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square. Okay, here there is a little bit difference in tan 2a and sin 2a. Here only the difference is plus and minus. Okay, so you have to care over here. Now cot 2a is equal to cot square a minus 1 by 2 cot a. Okay, see, now we are going to derive all the formula. Suppose we have sine 2a. Okay, so I can write sine a plus a plus a, right? So a plus a means 2a. So here, see, this is, it's like a I can I use compounding formula here? Of course I can use. So if I'm using compounding formula here, then sine a cos a plus cos a into sine a. So just see here, sine a cos a, sine a cos a, 2 times sine a cos a, 2 times sine a cos a. So here I got, see here, sine 2a is nothing but right. Now the second one formula, the second one, that is sine 2a. I know 2 sine a, 2 sine a cos a, as we have derived here. Sine 2a is nothing but 2 sine a into cos a. Okay, so if I am writing sine 2a cos a by 1, okay, so that means nothing. So n1 is equal to, I can write 2 sine a cos a sine square a plus cos square a. Okay, This means nothing. Sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1, and if 1 is in numerator, then that means nothing. Okay, now just divide by sin square a, then you will get 2 sin a cos a by sin square a sin square a plus cos square a sin square a sin square a. Okay, now here sin will get cancelled, sin will get cancelled, so here you will have 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square 2a is nothing but 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. Okay, so here just we have derived here sin 2a is equal to sin 2 sin a cos a, and sin 2a is equal to 2 tan a 1 plus tan square a. Boys, is it clear to you? Is board is clear to you? Okay, now we are going to see cos 2a. Cos 2a. Cos 2a. Okay, so here we have four formula of cos 2a: cos square a minus sin square a. So first of all, just see cos 2a. Okay, so I can write cos a plus a. So here again I am able to use compound angle formula. Is the board is clear to you, boys? Now board is clear to you? Okay, so here just use cos a plus b, that is nothing but cos a sin, sorry, cos a into cos a minus sin a into sin a. Okay, so here that it could be cos a into cos a, cos square a minus sin a into sin a, that is sin square a. Okay, so here we derive that cos 2a is nothing but cos square a minus sin square a. Okay, now the second formula is 1 minus 2 sin square a. So here I already know cos square. Cos 2a is cos square a minus sin square a. So I can write, I know the trigonometry identity, 1 minus sin square a minus sin square a. So here 1 minus sin square. So 2 times 1 minus 2 times sin square a. Okay. So just see here, cos 2a is nothing but 1 minus 2 sin square a. Okay. Again, we know cos 2a is cos square a minus sin square a. If I am applying here cos square a minus 1 minus cos square a, that means 2 cos square a minus 1. So I can write cos 2a is nothing but 2 cos square a minus 1. Okay, now the last formula, 1 plus tan. Okay, so here I already know cos 2a is nothing but cos square a minus sin square a. Okay, if I am giving 1, then that means nothing, and if and 1, I can write 1 is equal to sin square plus cos square. Okay, so here I have a cos square a minus sin square a, and I can write cos square a plus sin square a. Okay, now just divide with cos square a in denominator and numerator also. After dividing cos square a, you will get cos square a by cos square a minus sin square a by cos square a, again cos square a by cos square a plus sin square a by cos square a. So here cos square will get cancelled, this will get cancelled, sin by cos will be cos 2a is equal to 1 minus tan square a, 1 plus tan square a. Okay, so here this is our the last formula. So just look at this, we have derived all 4 formulas. First we use compound angle formula. After compound angle formula we use the multiple angle formula. Okay, here after you using multiple angle we use trigonometry identity, and by using those, we are able to find cos 2a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a, cos 2a is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square a, cos 2a is equal to 2 cos square a minus 1, and cos 2a is equal to 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. Okay, just go through once and then we will solve next thing. Is it clear, boys, to you? Have you understood this? Muhammad Amir and Arif, Mr. Ayan, Taha Ali, have you understood how we derive this? So if board is not clear, so I'm going to share you some snap or picture on your group. So no worry about that. Boys, I sent you the pic on your group. You can see over there. Okay. Now here we will be starting tan to A. Okay. So now tan to A. Tan to A. Again, I'm going to use compound angle formula. So I have to make in a compound angle form. So here tan A plus A, tan A plus A. Okay. So tan A plus A, that is nothing but tan A plus tan A 1 minus tan A into tan A. So tan A plus tan A, that is 2 times tan A, and 1 minus tan square A. Okay, this is very easy. Tan 2A is nothing but 2 tan A, 1 minus tan square A. Just use compound angle formula, then you will get tan to A multiple angle formula. Now, similarly, cot 2A, cot 2A, okay, cot 2A. So, I can write cot A plus A. I know the formula of compound angle of cot A plus B, that is cot A into cot B minus 1 and cot A plus cot A. This will be cot A. So here you will have cot square A minus 1 and 2 times cot A. So you got cot 2A is nothing but cot square A minus 1 to cot A. Boys, that is sin to A, cos to A, tan to A, cot to A. Okay. Now we are going to solve, or we are going to have sub multiples angle formula now. Okay. Okay. So here, as we describe here, that is sub multiple formula or sub multiple angle. That is nothing but if we multiply A with A 1 by 2, 1 by 3. Suppose I am multiplying A with 1 by 2 or A with 1 by 3. That things, that angle is called sub multiple angle formula. Okay, sub multiple angle formula. So suppose I have a here sine 2A. What? Sine 2A. So if I am dividing with 1 by 2, see here, if I have a sine 2A, so if I am multiplying with fraction 1 by 2, okay, so see here sine 2A dividing by fraction 2A, then what things I can get? Sine A, sine A, sine A. Okay, so just see here, if we have sine 2A is equal to 2 sine A cos A, then सब मल्टीपल एंगल फॉर्मूला sin 2a by 2 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2. Okay, and that is nothing but sin a by 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2. So here we have a formula. This formula is called sub multiple angle formula. Okay, sub multiple angle formula. Now after this, just see here, if you are like being half, okay, we have to make half every angle. So similarly I can write if sin a is equal to is nothing but 2 tan a by 2 and 1 plus tan square a by 2. Okay, just we are what we are doing, we are making half angle. Okay, so if cos 2a, cos a is nothing but cos square a by 2 minus sin square a by 2, because हमारे पास अगर यहाँ आधा है तो इसको भी आधा करना पड़ेगा हमें. ओके, नाउ 1 minus 2 sin square a by 2 2 cos square a by 2 minus 1 and 1 minus tan square a by 2 1 plus tan square a by 2. These all are the sub multiple angle formulas. Similarly tan a is nothing but 2 tan a by 2 and 1 minus tan square a by 2. Okay, and fourth formula is, sorry, cot a is nothing but cot square a by 2 minus 1 2 cot a by 2. These all are the sub multiple angle formula. These are the sub multiple angle formula. Okay, just take the note. Boys, have you understood sin a cos a tan a cot a? Ayan, Amir, Taha Ali, have you understood? Ayan and Amir, you are not giving any response. What should I think? Okay, so here we have done sub multiple angle formulas. So After this, we have to see multiple angle formula of sin 3a, cos 3a, tan 3a, cot 3a. Okay, this is quite important part. Sorry, sir, my network is weak. Okay, so here we are going to see sin 3a, cos 3a, tan 3a, cot 3a. Okay. Okay, so multiple of multiple of 3a. Okay, so sin 3a is nothing but 3 sin 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. Okay, now cos 3a is nothing but 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. We are going to see the derivation also. So I'm just first of all writing the formulas. Okay. Now tan 3a is nothing but 3 tan a 3 tan a minus tan cube a tan cube a by 1 minus 3 tan square a. Now 3a cot 3a. So this is 3 cot a minus then 1 minus 3 cot square a. Okay, so these four formula you have to know: sin 3a, cos 3a, tan 3a, cot 3a. Okay, now here we are going to see the derivation. So the derivation, see here I have a sin, this is sin 3a. So how can we derive this thing? The first question is, how can we derive sin 3a? Only we know trigonometry identity or some, what we call it, uh, allied angle formula and compound angle formula. So we have to use compound angle formula, and by help of compound angle formula we have to derive. So here, see, how can I write this? I can write this sin 2a plus a, sin 2a plus a. So here I am able to use compound angle formula. So just see here, this will be sin 2a into cos a into cos a plus cos 2a into sin a. Okay, I know the formula of sin 2a. What is the formula of sin 2a? That is 2 sin a cos a, and here cos a plus, I know the formula of cos 2a. What was the formula of cos 2a? Cos 2a formula was 1 1 minus 2 sin square a. Why I took 1 minus 2 sin square a? Because sin 3a is equal to 3 sin a 4 sin cube. Only sin is there. That's why I took cos 2a is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square a into sin a. Right? Now cos a into cos a, it will be sine A into cos square A, and here just multiply sine. So here sine A minus 2 sine cube A, right? Now here just apply the trigonometry identity. Then 2 sine A 1 minus sine square A plus sine A minus 2 sine cube A, right? Just multiply 2 sine A, then here 2 sine A minus 2 sine cube A plus sine A minus 2 sine cube A. Okay, just see 2 sine A plus sine A, this will be 3 sine A, and here 2 sine cube A, 2 sine cube A, that will be 4 sine cube A. So here I just found sine 3A. Boys, understood how we drive this thing? Okay. Now we are going to see the derivation of cos 3A. Cos 3A. Okay. So cos 3A, I can write cos 2A plus A, right? So here I am able to use the compound angle formula of cos A plus B. So here I will have cos 2A cos A and minus sine 2A into sine A, right? Again, I know the formula of cos 2A. So here I am going to use cos 2A formula, 2 cos square A minus 1, because see here in the result of cos 3A, we have only cos and cos. So here we are not going to use sine. So I am going to use cos 2A as 2 cos square A minus 1 into cos A minus here sine 2A. Sine 2A is nothing but 2 sine A cos A into sine A, right? Just multiply. So here I will have cos square, or this will be cos cube, cos A, here sine into sine, 2 sine square A into cos A. Okay, here we have sine square A, so I can change this sine into cos. Okay, so cos square cos cube A minus cos A, here I can change this 1 minus cos square A into cos A, right? So here again 2 cos cube A minus cos A, just multiply 2 cos A, then here I will have 2 cos A plus 2 cos cube A. So here 2 cos cube A, 2 cos cube A, that will be 4 cos cube A minus cos A minus 2 cos A. This will be 3 cos A. So here cos 3A is nothing but this. Okay. Now take the note. So after this, we are going to see tan 3A. tan 3a. So here I can write 2 tan a plus a. Now first apply the compound integral formula of tan a plus b. So here I will have tan 2a plus tan a and 1 minus tan 2a into tan a. Okay. Now I know the formula of tan 2a. I know the formula of tan 2a. What is the formula of tan 2a? Tan 2a is nothing but 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. Right. Again here we have tan a. Then 1 minus 2 tan a is nothing but 2 tan a 1 minus tan square a into tan a. Okay, just make them simplified. So here I will have 2 tan a plus, just multiply these things. So here you will have tan a into 1 minus tan square a, and here you will have 1 minus tan square a minus 2 tan a into tan a. Okay, 1 minus tan square, 1 minus tan square will get cancelled. So you can see here 2 tan a, just multiply tan a minus tan cube a. Okay, here this will be 1 minus tan square a minus 2 tan square a. So just see here 2 tan a plus tan a, this will be 3 tan a minus tan cube a, and here 1 minus 3 tan square a. Okay, so similarly you have to find cot 3a. I'm not going to solve cot 3a, you have to do by yourself. Okay, now after this, so we have learned that sin 3a is equal to 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a, cos 3a is equal to cos 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a, tan 3a is equal to 3 tan a minus tan cube a by 1 minus 3 tan square a, and cot 3a is equal to 3 cot a minus cot cube a 1 minus 3 cot square a. Okay, so you have to learn cot 3a by yourself. I'm not going to solve, just memorize all the formulas. We are going to use these all formulas in exercise 6D. These are the some kind of introduction to start the exercise 6D. Okay, now we are going to start some other things. So the question is, the first question is, find sin 18, find value of sin 18, cos 36 and cos 18 sin 36. We have to find these four things, four values. Okay, and these are some. Okay, so only 2 minutes left, only 2 minutes left. So what can we do? Okay, so here just see, I have to find first of all sine 18. What I have to find sine 18, but how? So here we are going to use multiple angle formula. Multiple angle formula. Suppose A is equal to A is equal to 18, because we are going to find 18 sine 18. So suppose let A is equal to 18. So 5 times A is nothing but 5 times 18 is nothing but 90. Okay, so 5A is nothing but 90 degree. Because we don't have such value to find sine 18, cos 18. So here we are arranging something. So 5A is nothing but 90. Okay, I can write 2A minus 3 or plus 3A is equal to 90. Okay, now I can write 2A is equal to 90 minus 3A. 90 minus 3A. Okay, if I am applying sine A both sides, then here I will have sine 2A is equal to sine 90 minus 3A. Okay, and sine 2A. So sine 2A will be 2 sine A cos A is equal to, this will be cos 3A. Cos 3A. And I know sine A cos A. Cos 3A formula is 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. This is the cos 3A formula. Okay. Now here, just see here, I am taking cos A common here. So cos A common, 4 cos square A minus 3. Okay. So here sine A into cos A. This cos will get cancelled. So here I will have 2 sine A is equal to 4 cos square A minus 3. Okay, minus 3. Now I can write this cos square into sine. I can change sine into, so here I will have 1 minus sine square A minus 3. Okay, now just multiply 2 sine A by 4 minus 4 sine square A minus 3. Okay, now plus 4 minus 3, it will be 1 minus 4 sine square A 2 sine A. Okay, now I can write 4 sine square A plus 2 sine A minus 1 is equal to 0. And this equation is nothing but quadratic equation. So for solving quadratic equation, I know the one formula, that is x is equal to plus what the formula is, sorry, minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the formula to solve quadratic equation. Okay, to solve the quadratic equation. So here this x is nothing but sine. This x is nothing but sine. So here I am able to find sine a is nothing but b is 2 minus 2 plus minus, and again b is 2 square minus 4, a is 4 and c is minus 1 by 2, a is nothing but 4. Okay, so just simplify them. So after doing this, see here, minus 2 plus minus, and here you will have 4 and 16. So here 4 plus 16, that will be 24 by here 4 8. Okay, now 16 plus 4 20. So I can write minus 2 plus 20 20. I can write 4 5 20, 8, then minus 2 plus minus 2 will be outside and 5, then 8. So here I can write minus 1 plus 5 by 8. That means the value is coming, two value is coming either minus 1 plus root 5 by, this will be 4 or minus root 5 by 4. So this is two value we get sine 18. Normally we are taking sine, this value we are taking, okay. So boys, in next class we are going to solve cos 36. So you may leave this class.